Next item we'll talk about is a ISX IFSM kit. What this kit is for the CM870, CM871, which is the HPI fuel system. And what this kit is built to do is to reseal that whole assembly when you take it off the engine. That's called the integrated fuel system module. So this kit contains the gasket to mount that to the block. You can see the fuel pump mounting gaskets there. You can also see in the corner here, that is for the actuators. So there's 4 actuators on an HPI fuel system, 2 in the front, 2 that control the front of the engine, 2 that control the rear of the engine, and then the seals to mount all the fuel pipes that go to and from the fuel system.